Hi you guys! Have you ever wondered that everything in the market is so expensive and you have to spend a lot of money to get products that are multi-purpose? What if I told you I have a product that costs 10 rupees and it has like 4, 5 to 7 different uses? Keep on guessing what it can be. Hi you guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Femica. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys some hacks that I have been using for years now, and I think it is the most cost effective hack that I've ever used, cost effective product that I ever bought, and then I had multiple uses of it. If you're interested, keep on watching. So the product that I'm talking about is this. This is a 10 rupees Vaseline petroleum jelly. I'm pretty sure all of you have it in your house because we have used it throughout our life, right? But today I'm going to show you some interesting hacks that you can do with this. First hack might surprise you guys or it might not, but today I'm going to give you the logic behind it. So if you ever forget your makeup remover and you're on a trip and you cannot find the one that you love using, you can use a Vaseline. So it not only melts the makeup, it is also non-comedogenic. That means it will not clog your pores if you use it on your face. And this is why I don't like using coconut oil on my face to remove makeup, because coconut oil is comedogenic. So I've applied a little bit right here. I'm going to use a tissue and I'm going to show you how well it removes the makeup. So from now on, when you go on a trip and you don't want to carry a big bottle of your makeup remover, all you can carry is a 10 rupees Vaseline. Also, it can remove your waterproof mascara. I'll just prove it to you. So I'm just applying a little bit on my eyes. As you can see, I'm going to leave it for like a few seconds for it to break down the formula. Then I'm going to take a wipe and I'm going to remove it. See, it is a multi-purpose product that works really well. Now let me show you another hack. So if you're someone who likes to go barefaced and if your skin is really dry, I have a blush hack for you. So all you need to do is you need to scoop out a little bit of Vaseline, put it at the back of your hand and sort of melt it a little bit. Just like that. You can take any powder pigment of your choice and you can scrape a little bit of it and put it on your Vaseline. Blend them together and you have your very own cream blush. Now this will not dry out your skin. This will give the glow that comes from Vaseline, and you can apply it on your bare face. It looks amazingly pretty, as you can see, and it looks so natural, and you are having to spend no money. How healthy does the skin look? Now that we are done, let's come to skincare. Did you know that Vaseline is a great under eye hydrator? So as it is non-comedogenic, then you know that your pores are not going to get clogged, and you can actually, and if you have extremely dry skin, you can actually do what I am doing right here. You can put the Vaseline under your eyes and keep it as an under eye mask. If you wish, you can take it off using a tissue or just sleep on it and it will be amazing. For someone who has very dry hand, it works very nice as a cuticle oil. You don't need to go out and spend a lot of money on a separate cuticle oil, you can just use Vaseline. And we all know that it's used for our lips, so that's not a hack. Next thing I'll show you is how you can use your Vaseline and make your eyelashes grow faster. So all you have to do is take a little bit of it and then first apply it like this. Then with a scooping, almost a reverse scooping motion, you need to massage it like this. This will get the lashes the most amount of moisture and hydration, and also over the time you will see that your lashes are growing stronger and longer. It's not only for the lashes, you can use them on your eyebrows also. They work very nicely for the eyebrows too. I have been using all these hacks for years now and they have always worked for me, but I will suggest that if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, first do a patch test and then only go in with this, and then only go in with anything. It's not only about Vaseline, okay? So these were all the hacks, you guys. I hope you liked it. Do try them out and see for yourself how it works out. And of course, you can buy your favorite products from Femica, and you can find the links to it in the description box below. For clean, safe and natural beauty products, you can always shop at Femica. Do check out the description box for all the links. And welcome yourself to the community of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness, and you can do so by connecting with us through all our social media platforms.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.